everybody, Freddy here, and today I'll be showing you my village. So I may have done this in a previous episode, but I want to show you some new stuff that I found in this world. So, there's this, where is it? Wait, there's a bridge over there, just created, because I found something other than that bridge over there. I found another sand village. I found a sand village there. Desert village. So, and yeah, it's basically there's no villages here, surprisingly. So, animal. So this place is kind of boring. So, nope, I'll regret that later. So, get rid of the sound because I'm kind of screwing up my microphone. So, where's the bridge? So, let's go back. This is taking forever. I just put montage music here.
A few moments later.
So this is the village over here. It's like half sand, half normal. It's kind of amazing, because I've never ever seen this before. So, like some few villages over here. So let's explore this untouched village. Other than this bunch of stupid rabbits. So, there's like a few houses over here, and it's untouched. And look, the villages. So, this place is kind of huge, isn't it? Here is a, castle, I think. Yeah. It's good. Good stuff, man. So, and there's another village right beside it. This sand team. Village? Another one, I guess. I don't know what to say about it. So, we need to go back. Or I'll just die of starvation first before I get back there. Or I'll just do this. Get killed by a cactus. Kill me! Kill me! Kill! Kill me! Come on, kill me! Yay! You prick. So, I need to go back to my village now. Or I'll just stop the video right here and just let it be, I guess. Okay, I'm now trapped in this pool of water, and it's taking me a while to get out of here. So, anyways, thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.